Okay, today we're going to look at the Mahle oil filter number OC707. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $4.46. So let's get started. It looks like it have a
Gotta
get nice and tight. Get your inner here. Filtration of 99 here. Okay, let's open her up. See what she looks like. Made in China. And I'm thinking this is the date code right here, which would make it January, February, March, April, May, and 20. So it's about a year old, if this is correct. Alright, it has this plastic cover on it. She has 6 inlet holes. I see a metal cord on there with holes. Bypass valve. How's this O-ring? O-rings on here about average. It's okay. I'm assuming it's a nitro rubber O-ring. I don't know too much about this filter, so what you see is what you get. Couldn't find any information on it. Well, let's open her up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open, and let's get her weight. 8.6 ounces. And what's this tell you? Yep, coil spring. Check out the base plate. It weighs 3.2 ounces. And it's got a nice amount of threads here. It's pretty good. You can see how it extends out. Nice base plate. The inlet holes look like they've been opened up with a can opener. Like this. Yeah, it looks nice. The O-ring we already saw. And it has a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. But it fits on this base plate pretty good. It's nice and snug there. It should work fine. And the filter media. I counted 55 pleats. Metal crimp seam. Nice and clean. Metal end caps. Bypass valve down here. Clean filter. It's probably, my guess is this is some kind of synthetic blend. Nice metal cores there. Let's get the weight of this filter media. 2.5 ounces. Coil spring. This is nice. And the can, let's get the weight of the can. 2.3 ounces. Let's get a measurement. Felt a little thicker than most. Yeah, 0.6. Feels thicker. Now let's get the measurement on this oil filter media. I got 1.92 inches, 2.29 inches, 2.41 inches. Yeah, it's a very clean oil filter. Nice. Well, you know what I say, cut this baby open, stretch her out, and see how long she is. Be right back. Okay, here she is stretched out, and she's 42 inches long. She is zoomed out. Okay, and here she is at the seam. And the crimp seam managed to stay together. The filter media, I wish I had some numbers for it, but I don't. It does feel like a synthetic blend media though. It's usually, these all feel about the same at this in this price point, you know, so I have no numbers for it, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But the rest of the filter is nice. You got this coil spring, holes instead of louvers, which is nice, I think. You get better oil flow. You know, this anti-drain back valve, it's you know, it's rubber, but you got, you know, when you got this on here and you got the coil spring pushing it, it's going to keep it on there really nice, I think. Yeah, I got no problem with that. That's pretty good. You know, you got this pushing against it. Yeah. Hey, it's a $4.50 filter. So it is, you know, it's not bad, I guess, for in China. You know, your shipping's going to cost you, but if you get a bunch of them, they'll come out a little cheaper per filter. But anyways, that's this filter. I wish Mahle would give out some filtration numbers. So what do you guys think about this filter? So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.